Ah yes, ERC20 tokens, the technology standard behind your favorite projects. From stablecoins such as DAI to the meme traders FOMOing into the next 100x altcoin. As much press that surrounds ERC20 tokens, tokens can be a whole lot much more than the next dogcoin crypto project and can provide some genuine use cases. Well, let's begin. So speaking in general, what is a token? Well, let's start from the real world. In the real world, tokens can be in the form of winning an arcade game or spending a gift card or a company voucher. These real world tokens allow us to trade these points in to unlock benefits or purchase items. In the virtual world, it's more or less the same concept. A token can represent virtually anything on the blockchain that we can buy, earn, or trade with other people. Let's take Ethereum for example. A specific use case of tokens can be reputation points in an online game, or skills of a character in a game, or many more. Ideally, developers build these tokens with utility within their projects. An example would be Decentralized's native token, Mana, which users earn when buying and selling land, which leads to a new market where people can buy and sell and trade these tokens in the form of cryptocurrencies. But instead of every developer building their own token implementation, which would be quite chaotic, there needs to be some form of standardization, making it easier for others such as exchanges to list these tokens by building functions into the smart contract to transfer, withdraw, and swap these tokens. This is where the ERC20 standard comes in. ERC20, standing for Ethereum Request for Comments, is one of many standards native to Ethereum, where ERC20 is the token standard that helps keep track of fungible tokens. And by fungible, this means one token has the exact same properties as another token of the same type. For example, in the real world, a £1 coin is exactly equivalent to another £1 coin. And this £1 coin can be traded out for another £1 coin, both of the same value. Or 1 ETH is equivalent to another ETH. Meaning, if we make an ERC20 token named ABC, one ABC token is equal to all other ABC tokens. As a result, this makes ERC20 tokens an ideal medium of exchange. We can think of these as currency, where users can lend these tokens, stake these tokens, and even have voting rights. In order for a token to be called an ERC20 token, the smart contract which creates the token would need to comply with the ERC20 standard. But instead of creating an ERC20 token from scratch, a popular project out there is OpenZeppelin, which is a library that provides reusable templates for writing a smart contract that complies with the ERC20 standard. So, how does this look if we are to build our own ERC20 token? Oh, and by the way, seeing how a smart contract looks and how tokens are created may help you avoid potential scam coins in the future, but we'll talk more about that after. Well, let's begin. To create a token, we can use an online IDE like Remix to deploy our smart contracts to the blockchain, which is written in Solidity. The following shows a typical breakdown of an ERC20 smart contract. We can import the OpenZeppelin contract library at the top, where we can extend from it and change the name and symbol. This token name is going to be called Alphabet with the symbol ABC. And the number of tokens to be created would be 800 billion. Once deployed, Remix has the ability to call on these functions where we can see the token name as well as the symbol, and we can see the total supply of the tokens, being 800 billion. And all these tokens are sent to the address of the smart contract creator. These standardized functions finally make it easier for exchanges and users to easily transfer tokens, knowing that the tokens are standardized. And creating an ERC20 token can be done very easily, meaning technically anyone can create their own currency. And as many good projects as there are out there, with over 400,000 ERC token smart contracts that are deployed to Ethereum mainnet, some of these tokens are only designed to part you from your money. And if you're invested in crypto projects, there are tools out there such as Token Sniffer that help identify malicious contracts by providing helpful metrics about tokens and the likeness of possible rug pulls, but always look into doing your own research. With that said, ERC20 tokens have a lot of interesting use cases that are ever growing, from decentralized finance, where users can lend and earn interest, to the world of gaming and more. In fact, the latest project I'm working on is a Web3 decentralized social media app, which incorporates native payments, where users can tip ETH and earn tokens. The idea being users can earn tokens based on the content they post. Imagine Reddit on Web3, where the backend runs on a smart contract. There's no centralized server. So far, it's just a bunch of memes that have been posted and a freelancing forum. You can have a look at the project. It's called Join Space. We'll talk more about how it's built and how it works in future videos. You can find more details in the description below. Anyways, if you learned something and found this useful, consider leaving a like. My name is Eben. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome. Peace.